Well, it's time for a little show and tell. Time to turn on the MicroCity PC with a button. That turns on all the RGB tower, lights on the memory tower. We have city lights, memory lighting up. So pretty. In the meantime, the computer is actually firing up and we can see what's going on. Now, say we want to run the train, you just go down to the train controller and turn that on. And I had it set to go in this direction and to make its little loop. More trains. Choo choo. Now we're going to start up the Heaven benchmark. As you can see, it runs it. In the meantime, we're looking at Nocto fans on top and on the side, and some nice cactus. The front I/O is kind of on the side here for USB 3 and the headphones, the mic, power supply. Here's the rear I/O, which is a bit of a reach to get to, but you don't have to do that often. And here comes the train around the back. In the meantime, it's running away on Heaven. And if the noise starts to bother you from the train, you can just turn it off. And this PC is silent with those fans. And that's about it.